Hey guys, so what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Wednesday, but you're not going to see this probably for about a week because I am trying to get some videos up and trying to, like you guys know, kind of rearrange my channel. Please don't forget that starting, which this actually will come up after that, so it's probably not going to help you, but every single week, starting before you see this video, obviously. So every week on Fridays and Mondays, I will be posting videos. Like, comment, and subscribe on those videos. And on Tuesday at 7 p.m. my time, I will be picking winners. And I have 23 calendars to give away that I will be adding stuff to. I have my coffee giveaway that I packed, unfortunately, when I was moving. So that was my 500 subscriber one. I also have to $50 in lottery tickets for a giveaway, and I have gnome stuff for a giveaway. So I have a lot of giveaways to give away by the end of the year. And then I just want to show you guys the shirt. I just think it's kind of funny. So on top of my two jobs that I work, my husband and I play on a co-ed kickball team on Friday nights. And on Wednesday nights, we play, which my husband coaches, on a co-ed softball team. So yes, my one day off a week, Saturday, that is off from both jobs, from all sports, everything, I spend trying to get some stuff done on YouTube and trying to get my house clean. So, and I have my 3 boys. So I'm a little bit busy, but you know what? Like, it keeps you out of trouble, right? So guys, let's get started with this Dollar Tree haul, okay? So I did pick this up, and it is just one of those robotic arms, 21-inch robot arm. My patients love this, and so I have picked this up before for them, and I mean, it's hand strengthening because this is not the easiest thing to pull. Hand-eye, I mean, it's everything. So I picked up another one for my patient. I was just making sure, no, it's not broke. Anyways, so I picked that up for them because they love it. I did pick up some Play-Doh also. You guys know what Play-Doh looks like, but I already used it because I took it to one of my patients' house. So moving right along, I am bound and determined that I am going to decorate this weekend, my Saturday, my one day, and I thought these were so cute. They are sparkly purple pumpkins. I don't know if I'm going to use them. I just thought they were very cute. They come with 4. And of course, you can't have Halloween without eyeballs. So they had some that had like green, blue, different colored eyeballs. I picked the red ones. And there is 12 pieces in here. I don't even know if I'm going to use all this stuff. We do not live very close to, ooh, sorry guys. We do not live very close to like a Dollar Tree or really a Walmart or anything now that we moved a little bit further. And so if I realize I don't have something and then I go get it and then I come back, that's like by the time I get there, get what I need and come back, it's almost 2 hours. And I just don't want that. So I picked up extra stuff just in case. So let me see. I know I had one other thing that I wanted to show you guys, but I don't know where it went. So when it shows up, I'll put it in the next row. I inhaled my spit. I'm sorry. I did just pick up 2 more packages, but for a total of the fall of the dice because I want to write fall on them. Nothing special, so I'm going to do that because I do have 3 already that I made Boo for Halloween, obviously. So these ones will say fall. And they will go on my 3-tier tree. And guys, so again, if you guys have ever watched Amy with Bella's Bargains, she got these are in the dog and cat section, okay, and this is a dog toy and this is a dog toy. This is the thick rope, and I am going to use these in like either a tier tray or on a tray that I'm going to put flowers and stuff on in the bathroom. And I'm going to paint this one up a little bit more, maybe add some black and stuff. But this one right here, I love the color of this one. I'm not touching this one, and you're never gonna know once it's put into decor that it's a dog toy. So I got 2 of those. I was very excited to find them. You don't want to see my drinks, my ice drinks that I get every single time. All right. I've seen these a million times, never picked them up, and I was like, no, I am regretting everything about not picking these up because not only do I do a Christmas village every single year, but I also have been collecting several pieces for a Halloween village. And so I was like, these can be used for any of them, and they're beautiful. So this one is the green Halloween tree. It says Halloween, but I'll put this in my Christmas too, but it's pretty big. And then we have the orange, obviously, and the purple. Absolutely beautiful. Love them. Again, I do a, what am I thinking? I do a village every year, so I had to get those. Guys, I was so excited. So if you have seen any of my hauls with the fall stuff, they have like that tealish blue kind of thing that's out right now. Beautiful. I love that color. And so when I was at the Dollar Tree today, guys, I found them in that color. Yes. And they are the ceramic. Obviously. Okay. I don't know. Oh, it does say what size it is. Hold on one second. Sorry, guys. It's 3.43 inches by 3.4 inches by 3.93 inches. Anyways, these are so beautiful, and they had them in pink. But now I'm like, I should have gotten more, because not only do I think that absolutely anything like would be cute on these, I don't know, but guys, like, how cute would it be to put a tray on top of here, and it's like a little cupcake tray or something, or like an hors d'oeuvre tray for Halloween? Ooh, if these would have, the thing on my lap right now would have fallen, I probably would have cried, because I literally have babied them since I put them in my cart at the store. And to drop these things that I'm about to show you on the floor at this point is like tripping at the finish line. So anyways, I love how flat this is kind of on top. And so if you put something up here, it could be like an hors d'oeuvre tray, but it's just like the softest baby blue. I don't know what it is. The color, it's just like so soft and perfect. So I got 2 of those. They also had it in a very, very light baby pink. And these are what I'm talking about, guys. I got 2 of these, which I'm going to put the other one right here, because I do not want it to fall. And first, let's look at this. This is pretty thick. It's like a clay or something, but it's like, it's heavy. It's pretty heavy. Like, and look at the decor on the side. But guys, and then you just put this on the top. Yeah, so you put a candle or whatever you want in there. I was looking to see what I have here. I don't know what my dog is eating. What does the bottom say? Does it have the size? 3.15 inches by 3.9 inches. But guys, this is so beautiful. So my plan is, I do not want to paint this, because I got to, and I don't want to paint it because I think it's going to be beautiful in my house year round, even if I don't have, that's not going to work. That's going to look silly. Okay, yeah. Anyways, I'm trying to see what I could, but you could put little small pumpkins in here. You could put like anything in here, candles, but it's so pretty. I want to use it for something else. But anyways, I got 2 of these. This is very fragile, but I love the little inside of it. And like I said, absolutely beautiful. Loved it. So guys, I think that's it. And actually, I know I forgot something. It's not it. I tricked you, because as soon as I said it, I was like, no, because I know that I got these. So if you watched my DIY that's going to be up before this with it has the Dollar Tree soap dispenser and a coffin that I made. So I had gotten some little glow-in-the-dark skeletons, but they were not like bendable. They just stayed in one spot. But I also previously got the bathtubs from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to paint them, and then I'm going to put the little skeleton in the bathtub and just let them chill in there. And then on another one, I saw like I'm gonna put them in maybe in a coffin or something, or maybe on my lantern that I have made and just have them swinging. Ooh, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll put it on my lantern that I made and have them just swinging. But anyways, it says it's a skeleton garland and it has 4 on here, but I'm going to cut it into pieces, so I will have 4 little like bendable skeletons. And I did pick up some orange pumpkins with the black dots again, because I just want, I need decor. I need that in my life. I've seen this a million times and finally decided to pick it up, have a spooktacular Halloween, just because I need stuff in my tier tray. I have a lot of tier trays, and my husband is going to be building me a massive tier tray out of wood. And it's probably going to be more, I would say, like a ladder versus a tier tray. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to fill that baby up. So I got the box right here that just says decor. You guys have all seen that. I've seen other people haul it. Love it. I think it's beautiful. And they had 4 of these. I only picked up 2. The other 2 were Mickey version. But they have, who are these by? Bendon? Yeah, these are by Bendon. And the 2 that I picked up, I want to use for like junk journaling or something. This one is The House on Haunted Hill. And again, they had Mickey. The other two were Mickey. I liked these ones because, guys, these ones, I love the smell of new book. Oh, I do. But these ones I liked because a lot of the books at Dollar Tree, although they're amazing, their pages are shiny, and I don't want shiny. And these are not. These are a matte page. So I really liked that part of it. And I figured like you could just cut out the little, like fussy cut them, and how cute are they gonna be? Ah, I could smell this book all day long. And the last one was A Big Night in Booville. I love The Mummy. I was like, this book is coming home with me. And again, it's by Bendon, but again, the pages are a matte instead of a gloss, which I love. And so how cute, like fussy cut or just rip around right here if you don't want like the perfect edges, rip it around, put it on a book somewhere. I'm going to be starting my, look at the black cat, I'm going to be starting my Little Golden books again. And so I figured I have a couple that are Halloween, and even if they're not Halloween, like I can still put some of these in there because Little Golden books are kids books. So anyways, I thought they were cute. And that's it, guys. So I hope that you are all having an amazing day, and I hope that I'm at 900 by the time that you all see this. Again, today is Wednesday, and I think I'm at 884. And hopefully you guys will be seeing this in a week from today. So 16 in a week, I'm hoping. I don't know. Just depends. But anyways, I hope that you're all having an amazing day. Please don't forget about the giveaways because my husband would love to get this stuff out of the house. I will link, I think I already said it, but I'll link the giveaway down below so that you guys can see not all of what's in my giveaway, but the main majority of what's in my giveaway. And it is mainly calendars, gnomes, stuff like that. So I hope that you're all having an amazing day, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.